If your Ninja Swirl's getting sticky, slow, or just smells off, it's time for a deep clean. Here's how to clean every part of the machine the right way without damaging anything. Step 1. Unplug the machine and disassemble everything. Remove the pint, outer bowl, swirl press, lid, paddle, and nozzle. Let frozen parts sit at room temperature for a few minutes if they're stuck. Step 2. Soak the swirl press and paddle in warm soapy water. Use mild dish soap and a soft cloth or sponge, no abrasive cleaners. Scrub around the press, inside the nozzle, and under the blade. Step 3. Use a brush to clean tight spots. For stuck-on mix or dry residue, use a soft food-safe brush set to clean crevices, edges, and around locking tabs. Focus on the swirl track and nozzle opening. Buildup here can cause jams and sensor errors. Step 4. Wipe down the outer unit and control panel. Use a slightly damp cloth, never dripping wet, to clean the base. Pay extra attention to the button panel and handle slot. Don't let moisture get into electrical areas. Step 5. Let everything dry fully before reassembling. Air dry all parts or use a clean towel. Moisture left in crevices can lead to buildup, odors, or malfunction. Once dry, reassemble carefully. Pint, bowl, press, lid, handle. Doing this once a week keeps your Ninja Swirl running smooth and your soft serve tasting fresh. If you need the right brushes for the job, we've linked a food-safe cleaning set below that works great for this machine. Thanks for watching, and swirl clean.